Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Are you ready to kickstart your cryptocurrency journey with some amazing benefits? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the MEXC sign-up bonus. If you're new to trading or looking for a reliable exchange, MEXC offers an incredible opportunity for you to enhance your trading experience. When you sign up for MEXC, you have access to a fantastic sign-up bonus that could give you a head start on your investments. This bonus is designed to help new users explore the platform while minimizing initial risks. Imagine being able to trade with additional funds, opening up a world of possibilities. But that's not all. By using my referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock even greater rewards. This special code is your key to maximizing the benefits of your MEXC sign-up bonus. Each time you use the referral code during your registration, you not only enhance your own trading potential, but also contribute to creating a vibrant trading community. So, what are the steps to grab this amazing bonus? First, visit the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and, when prompted, enter the referral code 12K4M5. After completing the sign-up process, watch as your bonus appears in your account, ready to be utilized in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. With this bonus, you can experience a risk-free start by trying out various trading strategies. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures, or even staking, this bonus gives you the cushion you need to explore without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, but with the MEXC sign-up bonus and your referral code, you're well equipped to navigate this thrilling journey. Don't miss out. Sign up today and let your crypto adventure begin with a bang. Thank you for joining us at Crypto Kickstart. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and tips on your crypto journey. Happy trading!